Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Seismic Audio Speakers 1/4-inch TS right-angle patch cables, specifically the 1.5-foot pack of 10 version. These are designed as instrument and guitar cables, perfect for connecting various pieces of sound equipment where accurate music and sound reproduction is critical. One of the standout features of this pack is the right-angle 1/4-inch TS male connectors on both ends. This right-angle design is incredibly practical, especially in tight spaces on pedal boards, rack gear, or mixing consoles, providing ease of access and helping to keep your setup tidy while ensuring strong, sturdy connections. The cables themselves are described as rugged and built to last, making them road-ready for mobile setups or reliable for permanent installations. The 1.5-foot length, or 18 inches, is ideal for patching between effects pedals, connecting short distances between gear, or tidying up connections in a studio rack. The connectors are high-quality metal, promising years of trouble-free use and contributing to that crystal-clear sound quality the brand highlights. This particular package comes as a pack of 10 cables. While the product description mentions black, the pack details specify multiple colors, which is fantastic for organizing your setup and quickly identifying different signal paths. Having a pack of 10 short, right-angle cables like these is incredibly useful for any musician, sound engineer, or producer needing reliable, short patch connections. They are unbalanced cables, suitable for line-level or instrument signals over short distances, and are noted as audio frequency controlling cables. Overall, they appear to be a solid, practical solution for patching needs, offering durability and convenience in a multi-cable pack.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.